Hello everybody, how are you? So here I will explain to you how to complete this activity, our final outcome. So by this time you should have already written your questions and your answers, and of course you should have chosen one organ to interview. Okay, so I've chosen the heart. So my title would be an interview with the heart. So how am I going to write it here? Okay, I am going to erase this line, okay, and here I will write the name of my organ, okay, my chosen organ, an interview with the heart. Okay, ready? Now we are going to go to the second slide, okay, and here we are going to complete the interview, okay. So we have, remember, the introduction, the questions and answers, and the closing, okay. The introduction and the closing is already written. You have to complete some parts, okay, but the rest is there. So we have the interviewer, okay, that in this case is me, Miss Wanda, and then the answers of the organ, okay, in this case the heart. So the interviewer says, "Good morning, how is it going today?" So here I am going to click on here and I'm going to write heart. Good morning, heart. How is it going today? And here I will write the name of the organ because it's the one that is answering, okay? So heart, there. It's going great and working as usual. Very good. Now we go to the questions and answers part. We have the interviewer asking some questions. For example, what do you do? So here, first of all, you are going to write who is answering. Heart, okay? Very good. So now we are going to answer, what does this heart do? Okay? So it says, I pump blood through the body. Very good. And here it's underlined, so I'm going to take it out here. There, very good. Excellent. So through there. So now here we have one question and one answer. Of course, we can write more questions. For example, how, this is the interviewer, sorry, you can write he, okay, I, and then another question. For example, how often do you pump? There, how often do you pump? Of course, this one is in bold letters, so there. And now the answer, okay, age of heart, there. Very good. And now we write the answer all the time, because we know that the heart pumps all the time. Very good. And here we can add more extra information. For example, I pump about 70 times each minute. That's a lot. Very good. So now we write one more question. Of course. For example, its location. Okay, we can ask the heart, where is it located? So I for interviewer, okay, and then we write the question. Where are you located? Are you located in the human body? Very good, there, excellent. Now the answer, we write 8 for heart, okay? Here, and now we write the answer. I'm in the chest. I'm in the chest area. A little bit to the left side. A little bit to the left side. And the rib cage. Excellent, very good. Of course, if you want, you can add more questions and more answers, okay? But you need at least 3 questions with their 3 answers, okay? So, now let's go with the closing. The interviewer says, well, I let you go back to work. Thanks for talking to me today. And here, okay, we can write something, okay? For example, we can say goodbye, okay? Here I will write, of course. Come back anytime. Very good. Anytime. I'll be pumping with a smile. Very good, because here we know that it pumps all the time, okay? So they are not more in bold letters. Very good. So here we have our introduction, our questions and answers, and our closing. Remember, when you finish, you have to click on deliver, okay? Thank you. See you later.